How to turn off Otter AI Microsoft Teams. Otter AI can automatically join your Teams meeting to transcribe, but sometimes you don't want that. Here's how to turn it off. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Otter AI into a new tab and then sign in into your account. Now from here, click on your profile at the top left and then select Account Settings. So head over into the meeting settings and then scroll down. And then under the Otter Note Taker section, make sure to set the default auto join settings. Meetings I manually select or meetings where I am the host